Hello. Just did the hair. Looks very va-va-voom. I'm gonna have to trim it when I go back the next 2 weeks or so. But now we're headed to Aksha's birthday. We're gonna go to Korean barbecue, and then I think we're gonna do karaoke after. So I have to get the candles at Target, but I don't know if you can hear, but it's pouring raining outside, and I literally just this is not the best time to be doing your hair, but we're gonna have to figure it out. So I have to get the candles. It's also like super early, and we said 6, so hopefully I can waste time in Target or wherever. I mean, we're in New York, so we can figure it out, but come with me on the journey. It's cute. I had bangs before. I'll show you guys. Really like the bangs, but they've kind of grown so long that it's really no point. It's kind of like a curtain bang now. And I don't know, I think next time I get my hair done, I'll cut the bangs, but this is it right now. So yeah, follow me to Target and hopefully I don't get my hair wet. Honestly, I'm not too confident about this at all. Honestly, I'm not confident, guys, like going outside. That's how bad I'm I don't know, I should have brought a clip or something. I guess we'll figure this out. You're gonna see as we go, we'll figure it out. Bruh, pretending. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Is it a vlog? It is. She's a TikToker. Hi vlog. Wait. Last one. There you go. Wait, can I see this one? Happy birthday, Shara. Oh my god. We love you so much. What's your favorite thing about her? I think she's just so selfless and kind. Ah! It's really hot. This is really not the day to do your hair.
It's called relatability.
Oh, that's yummy. Champagne.
Season 24.
Oh wow, I didn't see that.
I'm 24.
We all have one. Bio. Hi. Show off. I'll show mine. Oh, that's. I so posed. This is mine. Cute.
That's me.
That's so cute.
After watch Gabby's video.
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe.
Dinner. It was alright. I put my hair up because it wasn't gonna work. It wasn't gonna work. It's okay. That's my birthday. Please look at this. It's so cute. We're doing karaoke now.
It's me.
Hey.
Hi, Shawty.
Hi guys. Hey.
For tonight. Oh, first person.
L train. We're gonna see if we can have some or get some vintage clothes here. New vintage shop now. I haven't been shopping in a while, like vintagely, so I just thought we can come to L Train. L Train's a great place if you are in the Brooklyn area. I'm pretty sure everybody and their mom knows about it. It's kind of really like commercial, I guess, for New York, but it's a great place to find vintage clothes, and I love the vintage shops here. So let's see what we can find, and I'll show you when I get home.
She just let me know, but it sure no fit. It ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from bad guns, violence.
Another beautiful day here in New York. I thought I would do a vlog and kind of have a slow morning. I got my tea and I thought I would go to like Joe and the Juice. I think I just spilled it everywhere. Sunday was like the best weather I think we've had in a while. I swear everybody and their mom was out. There was like people playing tennis. I walked the same block like every day. I saw things I've never seen. Like people were playing tennis. I've never seen people play tennis. And there were kids playing like in a playground. There were stores I've never seen. I was like, okay, you know what? Maybe I should just stick it out till summer just to see the vibe, because it is very different. It is very different. But yeah, and then I'm gonna go see Dune 2 with Fio today. I haven't seen the first one, so hopefully it's not too off the first movie, because I don't really know. I'm gonna be a little lost. So we'll see, but I thought it would be fun to kind of show you guys a gloomy day in New York and what I would do and have a fun time. Yeah, let's go. Finish the movie. Yeah, you can't see us. Yeah, we'll explain after. Good morning, everybody. It is another weekend here in New York. Today we're doing pottery with Fio. It's her birthday, and I think it'd be fun to film. I think hopefully they'll let me be able to film everything that we're doing. This together. I've never done pottery, and I'm definitely not wearing like the right attire because I have like another event to go to before that, but it doesn't matter. I'm just excited, and the whole group is gonna come along today, so we shall see how that goes. Yeah.
Do more steps and then we get to eat tomorrow.